evening, sinners. Alastor here, your friendly neighborhood radio demon. Tonight, you'll not only sound like me, you can become anyone from the Hazbin Hotel Gang, Angel Dust, Charlie, Vaggie, with a delightful voice changer.
Let's broadcast some chaos, shall we?
The voice changer we use is Ease Us, Voice Wave. Ah, yes. You may broadcast your chaos in real time, and if I turn off the voice changer...
Yes, this is my original voice. Still cool, right?
Maybe.
And then you can select your victim, your voice effect from the voice library. Search for Alastor.
Now I am back to Radio Demon Voice again. Also, I can turn my voice to Angel Dust.
Oh, honey, that's cute. But watch me steal the spotlight, alright? Wow, wow, wow. That's totally a new style. We got Princess Charlie and Vaggie's vibes, too.
Want to start a fun Hazbin Hotel roleplay prank on Discord?
Let's kick off this little show.
First, to get your character's voice in Discord, just select Ease Us Voice Wave as your input device in your voice chat settings. And you're ready to troll! My dear delightful little devils, who's ready for some questionable fun?
What?
Questionable fun?
Oh.
Oh, honey, you know that's my specialty.
Karaoke night.
Did someone say karaoke night?
Karaoke? Guys, I thought we were trying to help people today.
Helping people? With this crew?
Marvelous! Angel Dust, you start. Make it unforgettable.
La 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 la. Wait, is that a spider on my microphone?
Oh, please.
Angel! Stop distracting everyone!
I'm next.
No, I haven't finished speaking yet.
Stop.
Charlie, darling, it's all in good fun. Unless someone starts crying.
Please respect my performance.
I might. You two are impossible.
Oh, God.
You two are...
I adore this chaos. Who knew helping could be so entertaining? If you enjoyed this little broadcast, subscribe, ring the bell, or I might just broadcast your last scream next time.
So it's a deal.